Hey everyone, we are again back with another Leetcode problem number 2364. Count number of bad pairs. In this problem, we have to count the number of pairs that are bad according to the conditions that are given. Okay, so the question is very simple. Actually, it's a medium grade problem, and yeah, it is quite interesting and quite intuition. It is full of intuitions. So let's jump into the example directly. Let's see. This is the number array. This is the array that are being given by the user. So from this array, we have to find out the number of bad pairs. So what are the bad pairs according to this condition? Those who are the bad pairs, we have to just count the frequency of the bad pairs. So the thing is that let me explain one thing. For finding out the bad pairs, we can do a simple calculation. That is, we can find all the pairs that are present in this array. Then we can just subtract the total from the total pairs. We can subtract all the good pairs. So what are those good pairs actually? The good pairs will be just like the index should be I less than j, and j minus I is equal to nums of j minus nums of I. It will be the good pairs. These will be the good pairs. So we can find the total pairs minus the number of good pairs. So we can find the bad pairs, right? So it actually the problem, the way I will be solving, I will be solving the whole code based on this simple calculation. So let's see the example first. Let's see the pair of 4 and 1. What is the index of 4? That is 0, right? What is the index of 1? That is 1. Okay, that's completely fine. So, if we subtract 1 minus 0, the subtraction will be 1. The difference will be 1. Okay, that's completely fine. So, if we subtract the value of 1 minus 4, is it equal to the value, is it equal to the difference between the indexes? No, right? So it will be counted as a bad pair. Okay. Similarly, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. The same thing happens. 2 minus 0. That is the 2, right? 3 minus 4. That is minus 1, right? It is not equal. It's not equal. So it is a bad pair. Similarly, we will also do the same thing for all the pairs, right? So, yeah, we will see first we will count the total pairs. Then we will count in the total pairs the 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 sum of all the indexes. Mm. What are the total pairs? First and foremost, what are the total pairs? The total pairs will be the sum of the all the index. Okay. So, after identifying all the total pairs, we will be finding the group group of all the good pairs. We will be grouping all the pairs that are actually good. So after that, I will be just finding out the total pairs minus the good pairs. I will get the bad pairs. Okay. So let's jump into the code. And so let's code it up. It's very simple, right? It's very simple and very interesting. First and foremost, I will just declare some variables that are needed actually. Good pairs, the number of good pairs, right? And GW good uh, good pairs is equal to 0. Bad pairs is equal to 0, right? Good and the bad pairs I have declared over here. So now I will declare a hash map count is equal to default mm, default date Is it correct? Default it, okay, of integer type, and then full. Then we will count the total pairs over here. Three, oh, sorry, three, oh, three. Total pairs is equal to for I in range of len of numbers, nums, nums, len of nums. So the total pair, so the total pair will be the sum of all the indexes, right? I'm not writing. Total pairs, sorry, correction. You equal to plus total pairs. Now I will be identifying the group and putting it into the hash map. So the group, oh, the group. Okay, good P, good P. We can do. So I will be this good P count of nums of I minus I. That is count of I, count of nums of I minus I. These are the good pairs. Sorry, good pairs. So now I will be modifying the default dictionary, right? That is the count of nums of I minus I plus real. So I will be incrementing the counter over here, and so I will be returning the bad pairs, return, return total pairs, total P minus good. Okay. The time complexity is, oh, yeah, TC is equal to O of n, and the space complexity is O of n. We are actually performing the whole operation in just a linear time. Okay, so just let's run the code. Oh, there is something. Uh, yeah, sorry. Actually, I wrote the spelling wrong into C. Okay, done. Okay, couple of mistypings actually. Means what the? Okay, actually, we have to. Sorry, I wrote the. Okay, I wrote the variable wrong. So yeah, let's hope for the test. Yeah, it's complete running. So this is all about the code. So in the next video, I will be back with another liquid problem. Actually, it was this problem was from the daily problem list, and yeah, it's quite interesting actually. This problem is quite interesting, and this was all about the problem. It's quite simple and quite interesting. So bye for this video.